Yeah, it's a boy again, Daryl Pololwani Femi. You know how we do it now. I'm here from iBrandTV on the streets of Lagos in Ikeja, right here, Ikeja City Mall. We are here to ask people what they feel about, the new tax reform and what they would prefer, whether cash or, transfer, because in quotes, people are actually scared, thinking, okay, their money will be deducted, this one, that one. So let's go ask people on how they feel or what they would prefer. Let's go. Follow me. I just want to ask you one simple question here. Okay. You know that in Nigeria with a normal. So you've heard about all this tax reform, tax stuff, understand that kind of thing. So how do you feel about it?
To be honest, to me it's crazy because how much are we earning as a Nigerian citizen and how much are they removing for tax? So it's like even me, I'm even understanding how much I'm removing. So it's as if they're defrauding us of our money. So it's crazy actually. Like, to be honest, I'm even tired.
Hey, well, to be sincere, I feel like this is like a step forward for us in this nation because when it comes to tax, it's something that is done abroad. We hear about it and all, but then at this time that it came, with the whole economical situation and all, I feel like it's not the right time, but then when is the right time? But one of the things that I wasn't really happy about was there was a lot of information outside. Some people will say, okay, when you want to send money, write narration, and Nigerians, we like vibes. We like cruise. We started turning into joke that somebody went to buy amala and then transferred 900,000. Azal now.
And a luxury amala now.
I swear, which kind of thing be that one?
I think it's crazy to, pay tax in a country whereby you don't get anything in return. Like, this country is very, very crazy, whereby if I'm even paying tax, I think there should be a benefit I'm going to be gaining from the government. But I'm just paying tax to a country that there is no benefit coming. It's crazy because me working hard for my money and you want to deduct my money without no benefit. It's really, really crazy. Like, it's not making any sense.
I think because I don't really understand it right now. I'm just seeing deductions, but I don't really understand. So I believe that okay, I don't know.
Well, first of all, the tax is really affecting in the sense that, where like before, when you want to buy stuffs and you want to do transfer, they easily accept it. But now everybody is requesting for cash, so they don't want to accept transfer any longer. And even because of the deduction, and even bank are not making cash available, so it's difficult to get cash, and transfer is being denied. So it's a difficult one, and it's not easy at all.
Well, I don't have much to say about it. Governments have made their own decision, whether it affects the masses or it doesn't affect. They don't want to know, and they don't want to care about it.
What would you prefer between you receiving cash and them transferring money to you?
Actually, I'll receive cash because it's not as if I'm trying to add from tax again. Normally, as a good Nigerian citizen, you have to pay tax. But the amount the specific amount that are removing from tax is a lot. I don't like to, because how much are we earning? And again, like job I'm also doing, it's not salary based. Like, to be honest, so it's look at now. I'm not looking for client at the shop right now. So sometimes I may not even see clients throughout a month or just one or two. So it's based on the client that I see that I'm going to get money. So imagine out of this small little money, you're still moving tax. So it's crazy. So imagine, so be I had to collect 300K per month. Them, I don't even feel reason why they should even complain. Me, I'm not receiving salary, so it's just based on the little earnings, based on commission. So imagine you're still moving tax.
Okay, before I would prefer transfer, but maybe now, with this my bag that I'm carrying around now, I think I would prefer cash.
You prefer cash to transfer?
Yeah.
Like,
it depends on the amount. So I'm someone that is aspiring for greatness. So I can't be collecting 100 million, as cash.
The thing there is that sometimes there are some money that are being sent that we don't even know the description to put, because money, like maybe someone is asking for an urgent 1K. What should I put? Should I just put description as urgent 1K? Like, I think the description is going to be very, very crazy, because there are people that the uneducated ones, like our old moms, our dads, those people, they even do transactions through their smartphones. A lot of people make transactions through smartphone. So you can't just tell them to start asking those old people to start posting them descriptions. And wherever they start asking people on the street to, like, okay, please can you help me put description? They might even get scammed by people taking their money, having access to their accounts. So everything is just crazy. Like, it's not making sense.
So So before now, I always put cash.
Okay.
But now I don't know what they want me to put because cash has always been the easiest way out. And do I have to lie about what I'm using my money to do?
They don't need to know. Some people put amala. Probably it's a luxury amala. I don't know. So I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I think it's just cash. I don't know. I really don't have a description of my money.
What I think is, everybody just wants to play safe. And because like some people, if you want to transfer, if you want to do any transfer, they'll ask you to put a description in order for them to avoid that being charged for tax. So unlike if you want to buy things, they will just put something just for to show that okay, it's not for business. So stuff like that.
I see it as a way of enlightening people. Before the introduction of the new tax law, the new tax policy, I think it's a normal thing to indicate what you use the money for. It's a normal thing. But from mere looking at the new tax policy, according to how it was outlined, so that is what scares people by indicating their transaction.
So you've heard what Lagosians and people has to say about the new tax reform. You've heard their feelings, you've heard their opinions, you've heard how how it's affecting them and how it's not affecting them. But it's not easy. What will man do? Like we say in Pidgin, what a man go do? We are in Nigeria, we are in the country, and it's a policy, stuff like that. But everywhere good. Even me myself, it's not really suiting me. But what a man go do? Still. So let me hear your comments. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Just put it right there. Click that button. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to follow us. iBrandTV. iBrandTV. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. All our social media platforms at iBrandTV. Thank you.